Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'll show you easy, quick, healthy, and refreshing recipe. Kids love this recipe. Russian salad. Let's start the recipe. 1 cup of grated carrots. 1 cup finely cubed cucumber. 2 medium-sized boiled and finely cubed potatoes. 2 cups finely chopped cabbage. 100 grams boiled and shredded chicken. 1 cup of sliced banana. 2 medium-sized finely cubed apples. Mix all the ingredients together. 2 cups of boiled macaroni. Now add the macaroni along with the other ingredients. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1 cup whipped yogurt. Add in the mayonnaise mixture. Mix well. Add in the salad material. Mix all together. Alhamdulillah. Healthy, refreshing, quick. Russian salad is ready. Serve chilled. Subscribe now and stay updated with budget-friendly recipes.